Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mobile hotspot and tethering is not working issue in Samsung devices, Redmi, Realme, even all Android devices. We'll show you three methods. By these three methods, you can also fix your hotspot and tethering issues. So the first method is you have to open your phone settings, scroll down, and then here you will see software update. You have to click on it, click on download and install. So you have to update your system software. Sometimes due to bugs your applications may stuck or hang, so that's why you have to update your phone software. So this might fix your hotspot and tethering issue. In second method, you have to hold the power button and then you have to click on restart. You have to restart your Android phone in case if your phone is hang or your applications are not working properly. So by rebooting your phone, this may fix your mobile hotspot and tethering issue. So this is the second method. In third method, you have to go to your phone settings, go to about phone. You will find second last option, reset. You have to click on it, and then here you will find three settings. You have to click on the first setting, reset all settings. You have to click on it and you have to reset your Android phone settings, and then you have to click on reset network setting to reset your network settings also. After implementing method 3, you have to go back and you have to check your hotspot. So here you can see our mobile hotspot is started working. So in the same way, by adopting these three methods, you can also fix your mobile hotspot and tethering issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.